Welcome back to my channel, Online Earning Ways. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss legit work from home and online income ideas. In today's video, we are diving into one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly ways to make money online, data entry jobs. As you all know that, I'm part of BinLogic's IT services, where we help individuals and businesses with digital solutions, data processing, and automation tools. If you ever need help with setting up your remote workflow, feel free to reach out. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is data entry? Data entry means adding or managing information using spreadsheets, CRMs, or software. It can include tasks like typing and formatting documents, converting PDFs to Word or Excel, copy-pasting info across tools, labeling and categorizing data, updating customer info in CRMs. It may sound simple, but businesses rely on accurate data. And that's where your skill comes in. Skills you need. Now, you don't need to be super technical to get started, but a few basic skills will help you succeed. Basic computer literacy, Word, Excel, Google Sheets. Fast typing speed. Aim for at least 40 WPM. Attention to detail. Spreadsheet knowledge, formulas, filters, sorting. Mastering these will put you ahead of most beginners and help you land better paying gigs. Next question arises: where to find data entry jobs? So, where do you find data entry work? Here are some of the top platforms. Number 1 is Sites. Fiverr, start with basic gigs. Upwork, long-term projects. Freelancer.com, people per hour. Second source is job portals. Remote.co, remote jobs. FlexJobs, premium listings. Indeed, filter for part-time or remote work. Start small, build your profile, and grow through reviews and repeat clients. Now the question which is everyone's concerned: how much can you earn? Let's talk money. Here's what you can expect to earn as a data entry worker. Beginner level, $3 to $10 per hour. Mid-level, $10 to $20 per hour. Specialized work, $20 plus per hour. If you can work with CRMs, handle bulk spreadsheets, or manage product data for e-commerce, your rates go up fast. One of the most frequent question and concern. I am here to answer that question as well. That is, boost your income. Want to make more from your data entry work? Here are some pro tips. Learn advanced Excel and Google Sheets tools. Specialize in areas like CRM data, transcription, or lead generation. Use tools like Grammarly and text expanders. Be super accurate and efficient. Clients love that. And if you're looking for help with automation, CRM setup, or process improvements, check out BinLogic IT services. Looking to level up even more? Here are higher paying alternatives to basic data entry. Virtual assistant. Manage admin tasks, inbox, calendars. Transcriptionist. Turn audio into text, pays better. Data analyst. Use Excel, SQL, or Python for insights. These require more learning, but they also offer big income potential and long-term growth. So to wrap up, data entry is a great way to start making money from home. It's flexible, low barrier, and scalable if you take it seriously. If you found this helpful, give this video a like. And don't forget to subscribe to Online Earning Ways for more practical ways to earn online in 2025. And if you need help setting up automation tools or want to outsource data processing, reach out to BinLogic IT Services. Link is in the description. Got questions or want a video on transcription or virtual assistant work? Drop a comment below and I'll make it for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.